Hey guys, we will now go through where to download your Hik-Partner Pro app. Let's get into it. The first thing you're going to do is open your Play Store. You will now hit the search bar and search for Hik-Partner Pro app. You can now click on the Hik-Partner Pro search. You will now select the Hik-Partner Pro app. You can now select install. App will now download in the background. Once download has completed, the app will install on your phone. After the installation has been completed, you can click on Open. And that was where to download your Hik-Partner Pro app.